Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, concept of income distribution. Very important topic related to economics. Economics idea of income distribution describes how an economy's overall income is divided among its constituents, calculating the percentage of total income that is made by various groups of people or families serves as a general method of measuring income distribution. The degree to which income is distributed inequitably in a community is referred to as income inequality. A related concept, high levels of income disparity can result in a variety of social and economic issues, including decreased social mobility, political instability, and poverty. In most countries, there is some degree of income inequality and unequal income distribution. The distribution of income can be affected by a variety of factors, including disparities in education and skill levels, labor market circumstances, and governmental policies. For instance, people with greater education and skill levels typically have higher incomes than people with lower education and skill levels. The state of the labor market, including the desire of particular types of labor, can also affect how income is distributed. Government initiatives like taxation and welfare policies can also have an impact on income distribution by reducing or escalating in income disparity. The Gini coefficient and the proportion of income possessed by the various quintiles or fifths of the population are two examples of many metrics used to evaluate the income distribution. These metrics can be used to track long-term shifts in the income distribution and offer insight into the level of income inequality. Overall, because it has such wide ranging effects on both the economy and society as a whole, income distribution is a crucial idea in economics. Understanding income distribution can aid decision makers in creating economic plans that will reduce income inequality while fostering social welfare and economic development.